Hello everyone, welcome to Apple's tutorial. So today we are going to add one edit text to our application. So it is going to read the value from the edit text and we will be showing it to text view. So let's get started. So in the previous tutorial we had added one button to it and we added one post message. So whenever we clicked on the button it was showing the message at the bottom of the screen. So today we are going to add one edit text here. Edit text with match parent. Layout margin 20. Now add constraint. So let's add it to just above the button. So bottom top of my button. Since we have given the 20 dp of margin, it is okay. And yeah, we should not forget to add id to it. Text. Now we need to define edit text to our main activity.java and text view as well. Button we have already defined in activity. Text view. Edit text. Yeah. So this is the custom method we have created. So this one will be called whenever we click on the button. So before that we need to initialize our edit text and text view. Text view equal to text view and text edit text equal to edit text text. Now when user click on the button, what we have to do? We have to get the text from edit text and place it to assign it to text view. So what we are going to do? So how can we get the value of edit text? So what we are going to do? Edit text dot get text. And for the safe use we can use toString, because to our text view we can assign strings, not other values. So either it is a special character or numeric value, we will have to first convert it to toString and then we can assign this value to text view. And do not forget to download our application Apache Launcher from Google Play Store. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to set this value to text view. So how are we going to do it? Text view dot set text and value of it. So we can just Now let's put some value here. Demo. We can see on the button click, the demo is assigned with our text view. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us for the new tutorials. And do not forget to download our application Aperture Launcher from Google Play Store.